Hey guys, welcome back to Solar Sessions with Ben. This is Ben from Belmont Solar, and I'm Brandon. Today Ben's going to answer the question, should we buy or should we lease solar panels?
Should we buy or should we lease? I've had many people that were disappointed in the results of their leasing, especially on a residential level, and I've seen many people that are thrilled with their purchase. In fact, banks love solar now. They know that it works and there's no moving parts. The only time you should ever lease is if you have no cash, no credit, and you still want to do the right environmental thing. Otherwise, always buy, because you get the SREC value, you get the tax credit value, and many other advantages. Plus, it's free and clear when you go to sell your home.
Thanks, Ben. Those are really good points. So basically, when you buy your solar system, you get the benefits of the SRECs, you get the benefits of paying it off and owning the asset, and when you lease, it doesn't belong to you, even when you're done.
Yes, and you make 25 years worth of payments, and then it's a hassle if you ever want to sell your home.
Got it. Guys, I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.